ko yan ha, diba? Ayun yung trending ngayon. You're right.
Ano ba yun? Wala akong cellphone kaya hindi ko alam.
Here we go again. Zia, explain to her. Who is the spy game? Each player has a card with a word on it. Only one word card is different. The player who holds the different word is the spy. But players do not know what cards the others have. Tapos, huhulaan natin kung sino yung spy. Yes, pag nanalo ang spy, bibigyan niya tayo ng dare. Pag natalo ang spy, bibigyan natin siya ng dare.
Mukhang magandang laro yan ha.
Gia ko dyan!
Ako din.